This is a CLI-based simulation of the historic Enigma machine. All the parts are sourced from different online museum sources and stuff like that. Every single line of this code is written by myself, by my hand. I didn't copy paste any part of this. I even if I used AI, I just used it for inspiration and re-implemented the same idea myself. So to make it work, the Enigma machine had 7 to 9 stages of encryption. Uh, 11 even with another rotor. So the circuit goes like this. You input a letter to change. It passes through the plug port, first stage, then goes through a rotor, second stage, second rotor, third stage, third rotor, fourth stage, and optionally another rotor to add 2 more stages. And then it passes through a reflector and comes back through that exact like rotor set in the opposite direction and comes back to the plug board. So yeah, it can vary from 7 to 11 stages of encryption on the key that you're pressing and the way the machine is set up. So it's really hard to like crack that. And now we set up the plug port. So it's basically uh, takes pairs of letters to swap them out in the first stage and in the last stage of encryption. And there was at most you can use 0 to 10 the letter pairs to swap in the physical machine. So let's do EW. And I actually didn't use any external modules other than Pineput to do all myself, and I wanted to understand the behind the logics. So let's set up the rotor set. So the plug board is set up. I took 4 pairs. You can to the most tens, and let's set up the rotor set. Let's go for first number. Rotor were 1 to 8 models of rotors, and then were 2 special rotor models, beta and gamma, used by the Marine Corps. We're not going to use that, but the project is supports all that. And let's do 4. So these are the rotor models I'm going to select from this machine to run this specific moment. We set up the rotor models, the plug board. Now we're going to set up the initial stages of the rotors, because the rotors are moving parts inside the machine and it's getting changed every single time. You can learn it online. You can find how it works. Let's do LMR for the initial positions of the 3 rotors. That there were 4 reflector models. If I show you guys B, C, BT, CT. Let's use B. Okay, and start the model. So I'm gonna encrypt the word Harvard. Okay, so I'm pressing the key HARVARD on my keyboard, and now I'm pressing the escape key, and the program is exited. And if another machine takes the same settings and runs the same thing and presses, right now I'm pressing, here's DVIRUDW, and it comes back out the way we entered it.